Hello, Year 4. Mr. C here. We're just going to have a quick little recap on our graphs ready for this week. So, we've got a lovely graph on the screen here. Okay, now this graph isn't showing anything. We're just going to be moving the people round on the graph. So, basically, first of all, I want to know which axis is which. Now, there's a little saying we do. It's called along the corridor and up the stairs. So, this here is the corridor. Okay, that's the x-axis. It's x because it's across. It goes across the page. Okay, so that's the x-axis. We read that number first. This is the y-axis here. We know it's y because it goes up to the sky. Okay, so Mr. Pywell, at the moment, you can see he's on 1. So we read that number first. 1, 1. Perfect. So Mr. May, we have a look, he's at 2, 3. So he's located at 2, 3. And Miss East, let's have a look. She is all the way up there at 6, 5. Okay, so let's start with the first little practice question. So Mr. Pywell, where is he on the graph? So let's have a quick little check. He's at 1, 1. Okay, if he moved 3 spaces to the right and 1 up, where would he be? So let's do this. Let's drag him across. So we're going to go. Oh no, hang on. He's gone 1 space, 2 space, 3 spaces to the right, and 1 up. There we go. So he was at 1, 1. He's gone 3 to the right and 1 up. Where is he now? Have a little look here. You can pause the video here if you want to try and work it out. Okay, so Mr. Pywell is at, along the corridor, 4. Up the stairs, he's at 2. 4, 2. That's where Mr. Pywell is now. Okay, so Mr. May is at 2, 3. Let's just check that to be sure. So along the corridor, 2. Up the stairs, 3. He's at 2, 3. Where would he be if he moves down 2 spaces and right 1 space? Here we go. So down 2 spaces. 1, 2, and right 1 space. 1 space. There we go. So where is he now? See if you can work it out. You can pause the video here. Okay, so let's have a little look. So Mr. May is along the corridor 3 and up the stairs 1. So he's now at 3, 1. Okay, now the next one's a bit more tricky. So we know that Miss East is at 6 and 5. How can she get to 3, 2? So that is 3, 2. That's here, right in the middle of Mr. May and Mr. Pywell. Okay, now there's lots of different ways that we can do this. So I want you to write me some instructions showing how she could go here. So you could go down, left, right. There's lots of different ways you can do it. I want the easiest way that she could get there. Okay, so pause the video here and see if you can work it out. Write down your instructions and we'll go back and visit it to see if you're correct or not. So pause now. Okay, so I want the easiest way that she can get there. So how can she get to 3, 2? So she's at 5 now. I'm going to take her down 3 spaces. So 1, 2, 3. There she is. And I want her to get to 3, 2. She's on 6 at the moment. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went down 3 and left 4. Now there is one more way that we can do it quite easily. So I'm going to put her back up there at 6, 5. Okay, she could go left 4 spaces. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down 3 spaces. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope that makes sense and gets you ready for your lesson today. See you later. Bye.